The Apex Court on September 20th will hear petitions challenging the constitutionality of entry tax in various states in India. The court will hear over 2,000 cases filed by manufacturers and associations challenging the levy of entry tax by various states. The Supreme Court on September 20th will hear a petition on the killing of two Indian fishermen who were killed by the Italian Marines. The Supreme Court will hear a PIL on September 20th concerning establishment of Medical College Regulations 1999. The court has asked the centre to apprise whether, as a matter of policy, the seats that have remained vacant should be allowed to remain vacant or they should be allowed to be filled up. The Supreme Court will hear a PIL on September 20th relating to the prison reforms in the country. The court had earlier directed the states and the Inspector General of Prisons should prepare a plan of action. Plan of action should aim to reduce overcrowding. The Apex Court will hear a special leave petition on September 20th filed against order of the High Court. The order had refused to squash defamation proceedings against AAP leaders and others. The Bombay High Court on September 20th will hear a plea filed to stop shifting of premises of Debt Recovery Tribunal to Vashi in Mumbai. The top court of Maharashtra will hear a petition on September 20th about fee charges of SC/ST students in various educational organizations in Maharashtra. The National Green Tribunal on September 20th will hear a petition regarding pollution caused by Chadda papers. The tribunal had directed Joint Inspector Team to conduct an inspection of the pollution with the association of a nominated lecturer, Professor of IIT Roorkee, Paper Division. The National Green Tribunal on September 20th will hear a case regarding terms such as mechanized, semi-mechanized and manual mining, particularly in the riverbed. The tribunal had directed some states and Ministry of Environment and Forest to file affidavits as to what they understand to these terms. The Allahabad High Court will hear a matter on September 20th regarding disproportionate assets of ex-Minister of UP Rakesh Dhar Tripathi. The Lucknow bench of Allahabad High Court will hear a matter on September 20th regarding irregular appointments of lab assistants in UP.